Behind me is a $220,000 TV that put Samsung's MicroLED the wall to shame. It's the N1 from cseed, and it is a MicroLED TV, but it's also a lot more. We're here checking out this mind-boggling TV at CES 2024 for the first time. Let's go take a closer look. If you've been waiting for a 137-inch folding 4K micro-LED TV, you're in luck. Australian brand cseed has just the product for you, and it costs a mere $220,000. It's the company's newest model called the cseed N1 TV, and here's the selling point. It folds in like an accordion, so the idea is that you can fold it away, basically leave it stowed when it's not in use. If you have a beautiful home with magnificent floor-to-ceiling windows that you don't want obstructed on a daily basis, this would be the type of TV that offers you a there when you want it, gone when you don't experience. It's because of MicroLED's modular nature that the N1 can fold up on itself, breaking apart at the seams of two modules only to come back together the next time you want to turn the TV on. Yet what's cool is that you can't really see the seams or gaps when it's unfolded. cseed likes to talk about the set's adaptive gap calibration technology that can recognize where those splits are and correct the picture in a way that makes them practically invisible. We watched it fold in and out a few times, though we didn't get to see what it actually looks like folding downwards. cseed just had a prototype of the fully stowed design next to the operational TV. We also didn't get to see it rotate, but it can turn between 180 degrees so you can find the optimal viewing space in your mansion. This cseed TV can be purchased, it's made to order, and takes about 6 months to get to your home. Now, I know the price sounds ridiculous, but cseed asked me to think about it in the context of the premium market. $220,000 is how much some luxury cars cost, and the rich often spend a lot more than that renovating their homes. I mean, think about LG's rollable OLED TV that costs $100,000, and that's only 65 inches. You're getting 137 inches of micro-LED for about double the cost. But I am dying to know what you think about the cseed N1 after seeing it in this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments and subscribe to our channel to see tons of CES 2024 content. You should also check out what we're doing on social at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.